Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you an easy detox tea for flat tummy. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients for our detox tea. One, you need a lemon or lime, and we need tea, the one with mint, but if you don't have, you can use fresh mint leaf. You need ginger, and here we need honey. Honey is optional, just to sweeten it a bit. So now I'm just going to get a bag of tea and put in my cup. My hot water is ready. I'm just going to pour in some amount. So now add in your ginger. I've washed my ginger and my lemon. I'm just going to dice my ginger bit by bit into my tea, or you can always grate it if you want. Next, I'm just going to dice in my washed lemon. What I'm doing here is just squeezing some into it to get the tea to be very concentrated. Then I'm going to dice in the rest. Some people just grate the zits and put it inside. Either way, it's okay. Next, I'm going to add in a bit of honey. Like I said, this is optional. It's just to sweeten it. So I added like half teaspoon of honey. Just going to mix together. Now I will remove my tea bag and allow the tea to cool down before I drink it. This tea helps to boost your metabolism, and it helps to detox all the rubbish in your system. It also helps with bloating. It's best to drink it on an empty stomach in the morning and last thing before going to bed. So this is our tea. You can decide to just drain out the tea itself before drinking, or you could always drink it like this. I usually drink it like this. Guys, here's my tea. I'm just going to drink it now. It has cooled down, as you can see. You can decide to drain all this out before drinking. You could drink it like that, doesn't matter. I'm just going to drink it now. It's still a bit hot. It's not the tastiest, but it's okay. It's really good for bloating. It boosts your metabolism. It blasts away belly fats. Trust me, guys. So guys, that is all for this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.